Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I am Swatch Queen. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, I created this look using the Blue Blood Palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is how it looks like inside. Very pretty, stunning. I search on YouTube and I see a lot of tutorials that are very blue, full pack blue, and there is no neutral look that is created from this palette. Today I'm going to attempt this look that is neutral, wearable every day, during the day, to the office, to the school. You're gonna pick up your kids, you can still wear this look just as beautiful as the other looks that they created with a lot of blues. This is it. If you guys want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Let's do it. Hi guys, so I already have my face done. It's gonna be easier for us to just go directly to the eye tutorial. I use, of course, my favorite L'Oreal Infallible 475 foundation, and I mix in liquid frost. This one is Michigan Ice. It's my favorite from Jeffree Stars. If you mix this in your foundation is not gonna turn blue. It's just a beautiful shimmer on your face. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there on my forehead. It's so pretty. I just like that. It gives me a nice blue shimmer on my face. I enjoy it. I like it. So for my concealer, I use L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Also for my contour, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 415, and that works for me. I use KKW Beauty Brightening Powder under my eyes. I use number 2 first to cancel out the dark circle. Number 2 is pink, and then after that, I use the number 3 to brighten. That matches my skin color better, but I use the pink to cancel dark shadows under my eye. That works for me. For my blush, I use the KKW Beauty in Luxe, and this is from her Bible Glam collection. I am pretty hooked with this one because it's neutral. It's not that pink and not that peach. It goes well with all the looks that I create. For my powder contour, I use the KKW Beauty Powder Contour. This is in medium. I mix these colors right here. To set my concealer and foundation, I use Peach Perfect from Too Faced, and this is one of the 2 products that I really love from Too Faced. This works so good. This is my favorite product from Too Faced. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Too Faced, but that one is an exception. There's always an exception to the rule. For my highlighter, I think Ofra is the best highlighter. They have the best formula. If you don't know Ofra, check them out. They're pretty affordable and they do have sales all the time. They also have coupon code from Makeup Gurus on YouTube, so try that. This one that I really love is from Nikki Tutorial. I use the beige one and the white one, mix them or mix them all 3. They're pretty good. And I also have this highlighter here. It's pretty good. And if you mix them together, you actually get a good champagne color highlighter. Oh, it's so good. Their formula is exceptional. They're so good. For my brows, I use the ColourPop Brow Boss in dark brown, and I also use a new product. I just tried this new product. It's the Lime Crime Bushy Brow. This is in the color Brownie. If you guys can see those thin strokes right there, gives you that feather eyebrow effect. I look like I have microbladed my eyebrows. Alright guys, without further ado, let's start with the eye tutorial. This is the Blue Blood Palette. Ta-da! This is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood Palette, and it's retailed for $52. It has 18 shadows, and I believe they're vegan and cruelty free. Look how cute the packaging is. This got me buying this $52 palette, and it's not very expensive. You get all these colors and this big pan shades. $52 is worth it for the packaging. I love it. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna attempt a neutral look from this palette. There's so many blue eyeshadow looks on YouTube and Instagram that I want to create a different look for you guys that you can wear every day. Alright, so let's start. Prime my eyes, I'm going to use MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in Painterly. My Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to take Celebrity Skin right here. I'm gonna put that color on my crease. This shade is so beautiful and it's blending perfectly. I have no problems putting this on my eyes. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'll put a little bit more here. Building up the color. Ooh, I like it. What do you guys think? Next, I'm going to get my Morphe E18. I'm going to get the shade right here, the shade Power right here. I'm gonna put Power just right on the crease. It looks gray on the pan, but it's very blue. All right, so I packed the shade Power on my crease with E18 brush. Now I'm gonna get Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to blend that. I have a little fallout, nothing too serious. That's just natural for all eyeshadows that are very pigmented. So I'm packing Power and then blend it. As you guys can see, I'm pulling the eyeshadow outwards, blending it outwards to create that smoky look. Then I'm gonna pack more color. I'm using the circular motion to blend this eyeshadow and it's blending so well. I'm so impressed. Jeffree Star Cosmetics has one of the best eyeshadow formula. They blend so good. Okay, I think that's good. So next I'm gonna blend here, this side. Look at the difference. This is no blending and blended. Okay, that looks so pretty and it blended well. Voila, just clean it up with a fluffy brush. Voila, it's gone. All right, so far so good and I love it. It blends so good. All right, next what we're gonna do is I'm going to cut crease. All right, for my cut crease, I'm going to use a white concealer. This one is from ColourPop and I think this is 00. Have you guys seen Jeffree Star's new concealer? It's coming out soon. I'm so excited. So I promised myself I'm gonna purchase one concealer and one loose powder. Amazingly, Jeffree Star's products are really good. Quality is so good. So I'm gonna get this concealer, right, just like that, and then make half cut crease. Look up. Make a mark right there. Okay, so that's my half cut crease. So with a random eyeshadow brush in my collection, I don't know where I got it, but I'm going to get this color right here. It's Crystal Flesh. I'm just gonna pop that right where we put the concealer. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you guys see? That is very pretty. All right, next I'm gonna get my E36 brush. This is just a small pencil brush. I'm gonna get this color Ice Tray right here. I'm gonna get that shade and put it in between Power and Crystal Flesh. Blend it a little, seemingly. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back to Power again with E18 brush and put some more, pack some more color here and blend it with the shade Ice Tray. This is the Ice Tray brush, E36 brush, and then blend it. There we go. Yep, I think we got it. I'll just do it on my other eye and finish the eyes. With just another random brush, I'm gonna put Celebrity Skin and smoke that out under my eyes. Alright, and then I'm gonna get the Power again. Connect that, my lower lash line, at the outer corner. Alright, next I'm going to get Crystal Flesh again with the same brush. And I'm just gonna pop that under my eye right here, inner corner. Also my inner corner. Next, with my E36, I'm gonna get Ice Tray again. And then pop that underneath, just like in the middle, just to connect and blend the two shadows again, just the way we did on my lids. Alright, I think we got the eyeshadow. I'm going to put eyeliner, mascara, and tight line. So I'll be back. Alright guys, this is what it looks like after I put eyeliner. Also tightline the upper waterline and the lower waterline. But I didn't tightline like right here at the inner corner because I want that to make my eyes bigger. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is I am going to use the Anastasia Brow Gel. This is in medium brown. So after I use all the powder products on my eyes, I use this. Made a mistake there. So I'm just gonna let it dry and then clean it up later. Next, I'm going to put mascara, and for my mascara, I'm going to use the ColourPop Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. This is black on black. It doesn't have to be perfect and precise because I'm going to put lashes anyway. And then my lower lashes. This one you have to be precise and be careful. Okay, that's beautiful. Alright, that's pretty good. That eyebrow mascara that I messed up, I'm gonna clean it up with a brush. We actually use that concealer brush with the dry concealer, so it's kind of lighter, but I like the effect. Blend out with the first brush that we use for celebrity skin. Okay, you guys can stop right there, or you can put lashes on. I think I'm gonna put some lashes just for the camera. But if I'm going somewhere else, like pick up my kids or going on a date or grocery, just, you know, my everyday, this is good for me, actually. Yeah, I love it. I love how it came out. I love the eyeshadows and it blended so well. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna put Can from Lily Lashes. This is my current go-to eyelashes right now. This is my favorite. I'm gonna put eyelashes and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I put Can Lily Lashes on my left eye and it looks pretty good. Without eyelashes, fake eyelashes. Without fake eyelashes, I mean. So that's the comparison. It's pretty good, huh? This eyelash specifically do not cover the eyeshadow that I created and I love it. I'm gonna put the other one and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. What do you guys think? It's pretty good and it's wearable. I can go out like this, just somewhere here in Texas. I think I made a look like this using my 35V Morphe 35 Stunning Vibes palette. This is better, and I can tell you guys, Blue Blood palette is really good. Like how it blends and like all the shades matches each other. They complement each other. I love this palette. I'm very impressed. Another good job for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am so excited to make more looks from this palette. Tell me guys, what do you think? Oh, I don't have my lips. Okay, what about just putting lip gloss from Fenty Beauty? Because that's what I would just wear if I have to go somewhere outside. This is it for the look that I created today, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Let me know in the comment box below what you want to see next. So for my next videos, I'm going to create more looks from this Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star and also this right one here. Bye! So I ordered 2 palettes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have a giveaway for you guys. Surprise, surprise. So in order to join the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram. It's at SwatchQueen1. Comment below what you guys want to see next in my channel. So if you guys don't know, I am 35 weeks pregnant right now. In honor of my daughter coming in this world, I will announce the winner on my Instagram when she comes out. I will also DM the winner. I will announce the winner 3rd week of May. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and put a comment down below what you want to see next. Good luck to you guys, and I hope you win. Good luck!